Right, today's recipe we have got some protein flapjacks. We've got some oats, some raisins, a bit of peanut butter, some honey, a bit of milk and whey protein. Mine is Cinnamon Danish flavoured. I have not tried it before with these, so I'll see what it's like, but let's crack on with it. Nice and easy, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients. Let's get it done. And that's the finished product. Alright, mine are probably a little bit sticky in the middle. Maybe could have done with a little bit longer on. I think I put a bit too much milk in. I'm going to keep the milk to around 125 mils. But that's it. You'll see the macros somewhere on the screen. I'm sure Mel will put them on. And that's some high protein flapjacks. Done and dusted.
Okay, there rounds up another recipe. Phil's fabulous protein flapjack. So it looked gorgeous. I mean, he was saying he thought it was too soft. I love it like that, to be fair. So I think it looked really tasty. And obviously, you know, it's a sort of recipe where you could just chuck in what you want. If you like nuts, chuck a few walnuts in, anything. You know, it's a sort of thing you just chuck in anything you like. If you want to be really naughty, you can chuck in some chocolate chips. That'd be cool. But yeah, I mean, if you want something for energy pre or post workout, it's perfect for something like that. Something you could pack up in your lunchbox for work as a snack. So yeah, great idea. Make a whole tray of them and they'll last you for a while. I bet they'd last you for a week in the fridge. I bet it's perfect. Anyway, we'll leave it there for today. So my next video is the chest video. So completing the jigsaw of body part splits. That means we've got everything covered. I'm half wondering whether to start back at the beginning again and do another glutes one. Anyway, yeah, chest is coming up next. Banded chest workout and using sort of home equipment. So something you can all do to work your chest in the home. So that we'll leave it there today. And remember to like and subscribe, please, guys. I know, broken record again. Press that like button, press the subscribe button and share it with all your friends. Spread the word. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.